Welcome to the SAMSUng Galaxy F14, and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. To do that, hold for a while the empty space on your home screen and go to the widgets. Then you'll see here one from the available applications what widgets you can add. Let's add, for example, the battery widget. Just click on it and tap to add. Tap to OK. Now we can see here the new created home screen widget. Just to resize it, hold it for a while by this way, and now we can make it bigger or smaller. To move widget on the screen, on between the screens, just hold it and drag it to the left or to the right side. Also, we can create the new screens with the widgets. And just to remove it from the home screen, hold it and tap to remove icon. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.